Today on PowerNation Daily, Vaughn Gittin Jr. trades in his Mustang for a Raptor, a guy who's selling his entire Corvette Indy 500 collection, a road that, well, this thing is just flat out terrifying. Chevy is testing a program that allows you to pay for the gas in your own car, and a 90-year-old driver that will compete in a NASCAR race this year. It's also time for Top 5 Fast Fails, Mountain Road Edition. So pull up a chair. This is PowerNation Daily. What's up, everybody? I'm Gannon Pritchard, and this is PowerNation Daily. Welcome to the show. Let us know what you want to see on PowerNationTV.com. Let's get with it. You see a lot of variety at the Nürburgring, but Vaughn Gittin Jr. just decided to mix it up with this. It's not a Mustang like he usually drives, it's his F-150. Actually, he originally took his Mustang with plans to drift the entire track for the anniversary of his debut, but rain messed up those plans, so he jumped in the F-150 Raptor instead. He got his truck sideways and laid down the rubber all the way around the track. Well done. Smart marketing. Chevy and special edition guys, you better listen up. This guy is sending his entire collection of 16 different Indy 500 Pace Car Edition Corvettes to meet him. Keith has spent years collecting Corvettes. They're ranging from 1978 to 2017. He has C3s, C4s, C5s, C6s, C7s. He's got them all. And the ones he wasn't able to get his hands on, he created exact replicas for. Meekum will auction them all off together, but if there are no offers or they're not high enough, they'll go individually at the Indy 2018 auction, May 15th through May 20th. Be sure to bring an extra pair of underpants if you're driving down this road near Nepal, because no matter what vehicle you take, this is absolutely terrifying and flat out crazy. In the original video description, it seems like it might be part of a movie or something, and I'm not even sure if the road's there or if you're floating along. Whatever the case is, this is nuts, and I'm not driving down that road. Would you? Soon, you might never have to get out of your car to get gas, at least to pay for it. Chevy is trying out a program where you don't have to swipe your credit card at the pump. They've partnered up with Shell to debut a new program which is available on almost 1 million Chevy vehicles in Detroit, Seattle, and in Houston. Using the infotainment center in their cars, people can find participating gas stations. Then all you have to do is find your pump number and enter a 3-digit activation code, and bada bing, bada boom, you can pump your gas. This is extremely lazy, and I like the idea. You're never too old to race cars, and Herschel McGriff is proof of that. At age 90 years old, he's getting ready to drive the number 4 car at this year's NASCAR K&N Pro Series West event. It's pretty cool stuff. Good job, buddy, keeping it real out there. He's been professionally racing cars for over 70 years. He's taken home 35 wins, 37 poles, 98 top 5s, and 144 top 10 finishes, adding up to over 266 races according to Road and Track. He took home his last win at Sonoma Raceway at the age of 61 years old, so he's dusting off a little bit of that racing dust, and he says, give me a helmet, let's go do this. I like his style. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see, and stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com. Get connected online and let us know what you want to see. Have a good rest of your day.